In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Coach Bus Simulator without Gamepad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up and play Coach Bus Simulator if you don't have a controller or Gamepad. So just open the game on any mobile device, and first I recommend that you go over to the settings. As you can see on the top of the settings, one of the options is going to be steering mode, and you can change this between various different modes. So just make sure that this is set up, and you can change some other options like metrics, transmission, tilt sensitivity, and graphics, but these are optional. All that you have to do now is go over to play. So choose any of the cities available, tap start, and you will be able to play with the preferred input mode. You can also change the steering mode here once again, and once you choose it, you will be good to go. As you can see, you don't need a gamepad to play. Everything will be available as touch controls, so you will be able to press them here. Of course, it is going to take a while to get used to, and I'm not the best at this, so I won't be able to demonstrate much, but this is all you have to do. You will be able to tap on the buttons available on the screen to control the bus, and this is all you have to do to drive around. As long as you use the buttons available here, everything should work flawlessly. If you want to connect a gamepad, the experience is going to be much better, but you don't need a gamepad to play. The game can be played without one, and all that you have to do is make sure that you are using the touch controls. So look around your screen, and after you choose the steering mode, you will be good to go. You can either use the buttons here, as I'm doing, or you can choose the option to tilt your phone, whatever you prefer, and you will be able to drive around and play Coach Bus Simulator without using a gamepad. Like I said, it takes a while to get used to this. I'm not the best at driving around, so I hope you will excuse me, but this is all you have to do to actually play. You will be able to customize the view, customize the settings, and change everything to your own liking. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Coach Bus Simulator without Gamepad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.